We are literally living in the golden age of making online money right now. There are normal people just like you and me making thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars a day, just making TikTok videos that take a couple of minutes out of their day. And with the US government pushing bills that could ban TikTok in the very near future, there's no better time than now to take action. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines saying you want to start making money online, in this video I'm going to give you 3 different ways that you can be using TikTok right now to start making a really good income without any special skills or lots of money invested up front. So there's no more excuses. Let's get started. All right, so the first way that we're going to talk about how you can use TikTok to make money is the TikTok affiliate program. This program has only been out for a few months and there's already people who have made tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands of dollars using it. This is where you make videos for a product and direct people to buy that product on the TikTok shop, and you take a commission for every sale. Out of everything I'm going to mention in this video, this method requires the lowest barrier to entry because you don't need any video editing skills, you don't need to physically sell a product, you don't need a website, and you technically don't even need to own the product that you're promoting. There's a ton of accounts out there that literally just film their computer screens or mention that a product is a really good deal on the TikTok shop, and they make 20 to 30% commission on each order that comes from that video. So if you have a video that gets 1 million views, this could make you thousands of dollars. And right now you can easily get those types of views because TikTok is really heavily pushing content that promotes the TikTok shop because it's so new and they want as many people as possible to use it. So to get started, you're going to need 5,000 followers on your TikTok account. You're going to create a TikTok shop affiliate account, and you're going to find a product that has good commissions. 20 to 30% is pretty good. Generally, newer products on here have higher commissions because these brands want as many people talking about their products as possible when they launch them, and this incentivizes more people to make videos about that product. Now, once you find a good product, you're going to order the product to your house and start making videos about it. Like I said earlier, there are people who are making money just making videos about a product that they physically don't even have, but this is technically against TikTok's guidelines, so you're probably just better off ordering the product and making videos that way so you don't get any TikTok bans or restrictions on your account. Now, for your videos, you want to try to find other TikTok affiliate videos that have blown up and find out why their videos blow up and just copy those strategies. A very common formula for these videos would be a hook, then some value that backs up what you said in the beginning, and then a call to action at the end. And it really is that simple. If you take a look at some of the videos that are blowing up right now, they are incredibly easy to make. I mean, 5 minutes of filming at the most and you're pretty much done. And you can make multiple videos every single day for different products. And if you do it enough, you will find that one video that blows up and you can make thousands of dollars off that. Now, the only downsides I can think of with the TikTok affiliate program is that it's not available in every country, only a select few right now. So if you're like me and you're not located in one of these countries, then you are probably going to have to wait until this is available where you are or try something else. Which brings me to the second best way to make money on TikTok right now: organic dropshipping. So this is where you start your own e-commerce store and make viral videos about that product, and then take people who are just scrolling on TikTok to your website to purchase that product. This works really well with weird out there products that you just can't find at the store, or impulse buy products during the holidays. Now, the reason that organic dropshipping is so powerful is because you don't need to spend hundreds and thousands of dollars on advertising just to get people to buy your product. When you get a video to blow up and people to buy a product off of that video, your only expense is the product cost after somebody already purchases the product, and the rest is profit. You just have to buy the product and spend time making the videos. So here's how you get started. You're going to want to find a product that is already working for someone else on TikTok. You can find products really easily by just scrolling on TikTok with a new account and then engaging with every dropshipping product that you see. You usually know it's a dropshipping account because they'll use a lot of the same hooks, like the product versus the prototype, or if you just look at their profile, it's all about one product. Those are very obviously dropshippers. So the more you scroll, the more you'll find good products that are worth testing, and once you build up a big enough list of these dropshipping products, find the accounts with the most engagement and then use a software like Shop Hunter to check if they're actually making sales from their videos. Now, what Shop Hunter does is it will analyze the data from your competitors' websites and give you an accurate prediction of how many sales that store is making. Now, a product that I've seen getting a lot of views and engagement recently is this digital photo frame. So I found a couple of accounts that are selling this product. I'm going to copy and paste their website into Shop Hunter, and just like I thought, these accounts are absolutely killing it, with one making $250,000, another one making $43,000, and another one making over $21,000 in just a single month. Now I know that there's definitely other people who are making good money selling this product, and I think it's worth testing. Shop Hunter does have a subscription, but if you just want to try them out, you can analyze 3 websites for free. The next step, now that you found a product that you know people are buying, is to start making videos. This approach is going to be very similar to how you make videos for the TikTok affiliate program. For this, just don't overthink it. Find other videos that are working and literally copy what they're doing. Use the same sounds, use the same hooks, same concept for videos and just try to find a way to make those videos better. Now, if you don't want to spend a bunch of time making videos, or you're just new and want to get started as quick as possible, you can use a service like Viral Ecom Ads to make the videos for you. All you have to do is send them the product that you're selling, and they'll look all over the internet for videos of that product, and they'll make a package of videos for you that are optimized for TikTok. I've worked with them in the past, and they're a company that's built up of e-com experts and guys who have been in this space for a really long time, and they know what they're doing when it comes to making video ads. They also have a bunch of different packages as well. If you want to get into Facebook ads, once you start seeing that this product is working, then they'll make video ads for Facebook specifically as well. So yeah, it's a great service run by really cool people, and if you guys want to get 15% off Viral Ecom Ads, you can use the link in my description. So now that you have a product and videos that are hopefully getting some traction, the next step is to build a basic one product Shopify store. You don't have to go crazy with this. Basically, every dropshipper on TikTok is following a similar product page setup. Have good photos, short and clear descriptions about what the product is, and appealing offers such as buy one, get one 50% off, and good reviews. This takes you about 90% of the way there, and now you're ready to start making some sales. Now, one thing that's kind of a barrier to entry for this is you do need 1,000 followers to get a clickable link on your profile. So in the beginning, even if you have videos that are getting a lot of views, you're not going to be getting all the sales that you would have, because people would have to physically type in your website name just to buy the product. But to get to 1,000 followers really isn't hard. It only takes a couple of videos to blow up to get there. So just work on making viral videos and you'll be there in no time. Now, the final step in all of this is, once you start making sales, is fulfilling your orders. And the app that I would recommend for this is ZenDrop. So this app is basically just like an all-in-one sourcing and fulfillment tool. The way it works is they have a catalog of US suppliers of products that have been very popular from places like AliExpress, and they've brought it onto here, and they get you way faster shipping times and even cheaper prices than you can find on there. So first of all, it's a good place to look for products if you still haven't found that product that you're trying to sell. But also, if you can't find your product in this catalog, as soon as you make your first sale on your store, you can use ZenDrop to source that product for you for the fastest shipping times and the cheapest prices as well. Another plus with using a service like ZenDrop is that you get automatic fulfillment, which means you do not have to go through and manually fulfill every single order whenever somebody buys something off your store. There's a bunch of different benefits that come with using a tool like this, like branding and coaching calls where you can get advice on how to take your store to the next level. And if you guys are interested in trying them out, they have a really incredible offer right now, 50% off of a subscription plus $200 in order credits, and you can find that in my description. And there you go. That is organic dropshipping. Just keep on doing that cycle. You can do this for multiple different products, and eventually you will find that one that works. All right, let's move on to the third and final way to make money with TikTok. And this is through the TikTok Creativity Program. So right now, TikTok is really pushing long form content, and they're pushing creators to do this by incentivizing them with $4 to $8 for every 1,000 views. Out of the three methods that I've mentioned in this video, this one could be the most time consuming or the least time consuming, dependent on the videos that you make. The important thing here is to start a TikTok with a specific niche. Some common niches that people get into are like fun facts or conspiracies or Reddit stories. All these topics have really high chance of going viral because they're things that pretty much anyone would be curious about, and they would stop scrolling to watch the whole video. But for a lot of these, they will take a decent amount of work because you have to do research on the topic, you have to script the video and then edit the video. Personally, I think the best approach with the TikTok Creativity Program is to build a personal brand on TikTok where you just talk straight to the camera about a specific topic that you have some type of expertise in. So if you're into fitness, you can post multiple times a day just talking about fitness information. And in the process, you're getting followers and likes of people who are interested in the same thing. And once you grow your TikTok account up, not only are you getting paid for the views from TikTok, you're also setting up a bunch of different potential income streams, such as brand deals or a coaching program or some type of course where people will pay you to learn from you or get advice from you. There are a ton of people making really good money with this. If you saw my last video where I interviewed digital nomads here in Bali, you may have seen my interview with Riv, who makes funny cooking lifestyle type videos on TikTok, and she makes upwards of $10,000 per month with her videos, and she is just one of many. So the opportunity is really insane on TikTok right now, and this probably won't be here forever, so take advantage of it while it's here. I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.